Think healthy eating has to be boring? Think again. This National Nutrition Month, cut the bland and amp up the flavor with some nutrient-rich twists on some of your favorite foods. If pizza's calling your name, make it with fruits and veggies. One of my favorite ingredients is Natural Delight's Medjool dates. They're a whole, fresh fruit that provides 16 essential vitamins and minerals. And they can add a pop of sweetness to any dish, even pizza. Just layer your flatbread with olive oil, mozzarella cheese, and Medjool dates. Bake it, then top it with fresh arugula. A little bonus, the fiber found in dates helps you feel fuller longer after eating. So this pizza is sure to keep you satisfied. And if your favorite food is tacos, how about wonderful pistachio street tacos? With 6 grams of complete plant-based protein and 3 grams of fiber per serving, they're the perfect base to tacos. Saute pistachios with hominy and spices, add avocado slaw, and top with pickled red onions. What's better is that 90% of the fat found in pistachios is that better for you monounsaturated fat. So you get a trio of nutrients that helps you feel fuller longer. And if you thought dessert was out, good news. Pistachios are one of the highest protein snack nuts, so perfect for a dessert board. And if you need something a little sweet, Natural Delight's mini Medjools are a simple, wholesome, naturally sweet snack made with delicious ingredients like dried fruit, coconut, and nuts. And with only 150 calories in 4 mini Medjools, plus potassium and fiber, they can give you a boost of natural energy. Translation, dessert is definitely on the menu. And if you need more ideas, visit amygoodsenrd.com.